I'm so proud to be announcing and talking about another record year for Gaming Realms. During the year, we continued to expand into regulated markets, strengthened our partnerships with leading operators, and expanded our gaming portfolio. This all resulted in our content licensing revenue growth and ultimately the growth in profit. We are now live in 32 markets and in 2025 had about £7.5 billion of transactions through our platform. We ended the year in a very strong position with cash at 70.8 million and debt-free. We've been able to execute a share buyback program and to invest more into product. This investment will help us achieve our long-term growth. Slingo is at the heart of what we've been doing. Slingo really categorises itself in three ways. It's a brand. We've been able to extend our Slingo license for the lottery this year. It also is an incredibly popular game mechanic. Our Slingo series is one of the most popular families of games in the international iGaming market. We continue to innovate within Slingo, and last year we had our most popular Slingo launch in our history. And Slingo is also a category of game. We see this with the bespoke work we've been doing for our partners and also how games are curated on our partner sites. We are now investing to grow our product and portfolio. We are building different types of games and leveraging the valuable Slingo IP within them. Watch this space. The US is a great market for Gaming Realms. We have all the ingredients for long-term success. Our games are very popular in the US and Slingo is a big brand in itself. We have strong partnerships with the operators and are integrated into the whole market. We have experience obtaining licenses and certifying our platform and our games. It means we can grow with new states. However, we're also adding a lot more product to the market, more Slingo games with new mechanics. We've licensed top-tier brands into Slingo format and also launching a new studio as well as building our aggregation business. We are very excited about growing into new markets. We have the games built and it allows more players to enjoy the games. South Africa is a new market, but we are very encouraged with the player numbers so far. We want to be a leading supplier in the international market, and these new launches really push Gaming Realms towards this, especially with the increased and varied content we are producing. I am really encouraged by the start to 2026. We are growing in our core markets as well as in the new markets. We are launching more content than previous years and looking forward to a strong year ahead.
We had a very strong 2025. Our group revenue increased 10% over 2024 and adjusted EBITDA grew at 15%. This performance was driven by the group's core licensing activities, where revenue increased 13% year on year. The business also continues to be highly cash generative. Even after 2.8 million being used for our share buyback program and increasing our capital investment by 2.5 million, we still saw a 4.3 million increase in the cash balance during the year. There were a number of factors behind our 2025 performance. Firstly, North America remains a key driver for the group and we grew really strongly in those markets. We entered 7 regulated markets, including Brazil, South Africa and Switzerland, and we launched with 40 new partners globally. We also increased both our internal and third-party games output compared with 2024. And on the brand licensing side, we also extended our Slingo lottery deal with Scientific Games, which positively impacted results. The US iGaming markets continue to be a strong driver of growth for our content licensing performance. We saw a 19% increase in revenues compared with 2024 and 23% at constant exchange rates. The US markets themselves are organically growing at strong rates, so we are benefiting from that. But we've launched some really strong US-focused titles in 2025, including Slingo Cash Eruption, that our US players really engaged with. And we're continuing to work really closely commercially with our partners in the area. Currency movements were a headwind for us in 2025, particularly with the US dollar, and our growth in US revenues compounds this headwind somewhat. On a constant currency basis, we would have reported a further 2% growth in revenues and 3% in EBITDA, showing the strength of the underlying performance. In April 2025, staking limits were introduced in the UK, which had a significant impact on our games and the flow of gameplay, given they are multi-staking. Our revenues were impacted while we developed and rolled out a new in-game tool to enhance engagement and comply with the new regulations. As more games were recertified and released, we saw a fairly rapid improvement in our UK revenues through the second half of the year. We set our aim for the UK revenues to recover to previous levels by the end of the year, and we achieved that goal by December, with revenues remaining at these levels during the first quarter of 2026, which is really pleasing. The operational leverage of the licensing model means we expect EBITDA and profits to increase at a faster rate than incremental revenue growth. With existing growth coupled with the 4 new markets we've entered in 2026, alongside the 7 in 2025, it will be exciting to see future growth continue to demonstrate the benefit of this model.